Welcome to school 2.
Hey, you will follow.
I will follow you.
You will follow me.
I'm stubborn for love. Once I love somebody, I love you to the core.
You're stubborn for love. You're stubborn for love.
What? Jesus!
You will move out of this house. Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth? Oh my God.
Isn't it?
Who
Who is this boy?
I don't know him. Oh. I don't know him. Oh.
You don't know him?
I don't know him. I've never seen him in my life.
And he's following you to your house?
I don't know.
My compound?
That's it. I don't
please,
know.
it's not what you think, sir.
Young man, who are you?
Sir, actually, my name is Abari. I stay in this area. So, sir, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
You will end up in my
Where do you
daughter.
work? Young man, where do you work?
You will end up in my daughter.
I don't have work, but it's me that used to catch people that thief in this area. It's me that I don't have
Oh,
work.
now I understand. You are a tout. See you tomorrow. This is where you stay tomorrow. I will make sure you die by yourself. Then you kill yourself by yourself.
What? Funka?
No what?
I hear me to me. Back me.
To test. Oh yeah, come and join me. To test what? What?
School 2.
Hi people, so it's your fantastic actor Blessing Ambrose and this is School2 comedy. Guys, you know what they said about do not despise the days of a little beginning. So School2 has come this far, if not for you all. You all have been amazing. You all have been really good. So don't stop subscribing to our YouTube channel and keep telling people to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We love you so much. Thank you for your love, your support. Thank you for everything. You guys are fabulous. Thank you.